I am Dayan Gowde, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss the rings of polynomials from algebra of MSc first and semester first. In a rings of polynomial, we study the rings of polynomial, definition and example, basic properties of rings of polynomial, division algorithm, Euclidean domain and unique factorization domain, zeros of the polynomial, irreducible polynomial in R of x, factorization in f of x and existence criteria. Now see here rings of polynomial. Let R be a ring. A polynomial f of x with the coefficient in R is an indeterminate x is an infinite formal summation of ai x raised to I is equal to 0 to infinity is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot plus an x raised to n, where ai belongs to R and ai is now equal to 0 for all but finite number of values of I. Then ai are called coefficient of f of x. We simply write f of x and f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot plus an x raised to n, where an plus I is equal to 0 for all I greater equal 1. Example, f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 is a polynomial with coefficient in z. F of x is equal to x square plus 1 is a polynomial with coefficient in z2. Here f of x is equal to 1 into x square plus 0 into x plus 1. Definition, next definition. Let f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot plus an x raised to n be a polynomial with coefficient in a ring R if there exists some t greater than 0, some I greater than 0 such that ai is not equal to 0. Then the largest value of such I is called the degrees of the polynomial f of x. If no such I greater than 0 exists, then we say that f of x is of 0 degree. Example, the degrees of the polynomial f of x is equal to x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 7 with coefficient in z is of degree 5. Next example, f of x is equal to 2 by 3 plus 0 into x plus 0 into x square. F of x is a polynomial of degree coefficient in q. The degree of f of x is 0. Next definition. Let R be a ring. Let R of x denote the set of polynomials with coefficient in R and in an indeterminate x. Let f of x, g of x belongs to R of x, where f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot plus an x raised to n, ai belongs to R, and g of x is equal to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus dot plus bmx raised to m, bj belongs to R. We define addition and dot of f of x and g of x as follows. F of x plus g of x is equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot 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 plus Cn x raised to n m less than m, where Ci is equal to Ai plus Bi for all I. Here Bm plus I is equal to 0 for I greater than or equal to 1. F of x into g of x is equal to d naught plus d1x plus d2x square plus dot 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 plus dn plus m x raised to n plus 1 m, where dk is equal to summation of ai bj I plus j is equal to k, that is dk is equal to a0 bk plus a1 bk minus 1 plus dot 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 plus ak b0. Obviously f of x plus g of x belongs to r of x and f of x into g of x belongs to r of x. Remark: r of x plus dot is a ring where plus and dot defined in first and second in the definition. This ring is called the polynomial ring over the ring R. Next definition: next properties of R of x, properties of ring of polynomial. Let there is theorem properties. Let R be a ring, then R is a subring of the ring of polynomial R of x. Let A belongs to R, we write f of x equal to a plus 0x plus 0x square plus dot 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 plus 0x raised to n. N is finite. Then f of x belongs to R of x and is called a constant polynomial over the ring R. Thus, if a plus b belongs to R, then a, b are constant polynomial in R of x and as member of R of x. Their addition a plus b and multiplication a multiply b are again the constant polynomial in R of x, hence R is the subring of R of x. Theorem property: if R of x is a ring of polynomial over a ring R, then prove that R of x is a commutative if and only if R is commutative. Only part, no proof here. Let R of x be a commutative as subring of a commutative ring is commutative. We get R is commutative. Let R be commutative. Let f of x g of x belongs to R of x, where f of x is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot plus a raised to a and x raised to n. ai belongs to R, and g of x is equal to b naught plus b1x plus b2x square plus dot 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 plus bm x raised to m. bj belongs to R. Then f of x multiply g of x is equal to a naught plus a naught into b naught plus a naught b1 plus ba1 b naught x plus dot 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 ai bj x raised to k plus a n bm x raised to n plus 1. As R is commutative, a naught b naught is equal to b naught a naught b1 plus a1 b naught is equal to a naught b1 b naught a1 plus b1 a naught, and that dash summation of ai bj is equal to bj ai. A1n bm is equal to bm an. Hence, f of x into g of x is equal to a naught b naught plus a naught b1 plus a1 b naught x plus dot 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 plus ai bj x is to k plus an bm x is to n plus m is equal to b naught a naught plus b naught a1 plus b1 a naught x plus dot 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 plus bj ai x is to k plus bm dot dot plus bm an x is to n plus n is equal to g of x into f of x. This shows that r of x is a commutative. Next theorem. Let R be a ring. R of x has unity if and only if R has unity. Proof here only part. Let R of x be a ring with unity. Define psi from R of x to R by psi of a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot plus anx is to n is equal to a naught is an ontomorphism. We get R has unity. Since homomorphic image of a ring with unity contains the unity. If part, let the ring R contain the unity element 7. Then consider the constant polynomial 1 plus 0x plus 0x square plus dot 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 plus 0x is to n. n is finite. Will be any element of R of x. Definition. Let f of x is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot plus anx is to n be a non-zero polynomial in R of x. We say that degree of f of x is m if an is not equal to 0 and an plus I is equal to 0 for I greater equal to 1. We write degree of f of x is equal to n. Note that the degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of f of x is equal to 0 if f of x is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus anx is to n with ai is equal to 0 for I greater equal to 1 and a naught is not equal to 0. Therefore, degree of f of x is equal to 0 if f of x is constant polynomial in R of x.